the first question is asking us, what is half of 112 cups? So again, simple measurement question here. So it's asking us half of 112 cups. So what is half of 112 cups? So when we talk, when we have cups here, again, cups here is a unit of volume, right? So unit of volume, and it's in, again, the empirical system here. And it's measuring volume. So these are so it's measuring kind of, you can think of it as water or juice or whatever, like this, something like that. So it's asking us what's half of 112 cups. So basically all we're doing is we're taking half. So again, 1/2. And then we're multiplying it by 112 cups to figure out how many cups we have so far. So you can think of it as half times 112, or you can think of it as 112 divided by 2. It's honestly up to you as how you think of this problem. Again, half of 112 here, what I can do is I can simply just divide 112 divided by 2, and this would equal 56. So this here equals 56 cups here, and you could plug this in your calculator, or you could do the old-fashioned kind of long division here. So if you have 112 and 2 here, so if you don't have a calculator, we could solve this using like pencil and paper. So again, 2 times what number goes into 11? 2 times 5 goes into closest to 11 here. 11 minus 10 here is 1. You bring down the 2 here. 2 times what equals 12? It would equal 6, right? 2 times 12 equals 6, and you would get 0. So you get 56 cups is half of 112 cups here. So the solution here is correct. It's 56 times. They want it in gallons. Oh, they might have wanted it in gallons. So let's switch this into gallons first. So we have 56 cups first, and then it didn't say here to convert to gallons, but maybe I'll convert to gallons for you as well. So let me just write out the conversion rates for you. So I have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. And then 1 quart equals 2 pints. And then 1 pint equals 2 cups. So they're converting from basically cups all the way to gallons here. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to have to, I start with 56 cups. Like we kind of solved in our equation here. We have 56 cups here. We're going to multiply that by, I want to convert into pints first, and then to quarts, and then to gallons, right? So I would have to do 1 pint here equals 2 cups. So I have 2 cups in a pint. 2 cups in a pint. And then I have 1 quart, or 2 pints is 1 quart. And finally, 1 gallon here is 4 quarts, right? So as you can see, my units are canceling out. Cups cancel out here. Pints cancel out. Quarts cancel out. I'm left here with gallons, and that's what I want, right? So I have 56 times half times a quarter, or you can say 56 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 4. So 56 divided by 2, which is 28, divide that by 2 would be 14, divided by 4 would be 3.5 gallons here. So this here would equal 3.5 gallons here, and this solution here is the correct answer, and as you can see, it's 3.5 gallons as well. So the solution here is correct. A good explanation here. So I didn't know whether or not they want to be in cups or if they would need to convert to gallons. The question just simply asked what is half of 112 cups, but again, we can convert into gallons or quarts or pints depending on what depending on which conversion factor we are using here. So solution here is correct.